Hi everyone, welcome to Sid Story Time. We are doing online story times every Thursday in June. And today I want to read a book called Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. And on the cover here, I see this blue truck and there are lots of animal friends all around. Pig and cow and chicken and goose and a horse and a sheep and a goat and a frog. All these friends, Little Blue Truck. And this is a part of a really great book series too. So if you like this one, be sure to check it out at your local library. All right, let's read. Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Here's Little Blue Truck, and that's the sound he makes. Beep, beep. His horn. What a beautiful country scene. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when the Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Toad crossing. Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink, said the piggy. Beep, said Blue. Passing by all of these animals, saying hello in their own languages. Cluck, said the chicken, and her chick said beep. Ma, said the goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said the horse. Quack, said the duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Everybody's saying hi. Honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Well, he doesn't sound very friendly, does he? Look, that poor duck barely got out of the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a big puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big truck and his big important wheels got stuck. Uh-oh. Look at all the animals around. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Those animals have turned their back on them. Maybe. Why do you think that might be? Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all of his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh man, he tried to help, but that mud was just too muddy. Help, help, cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Oh, wow. So this time they heard that beep, beep, beep. And they would come running for a friend. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Everybody came to the rescue to help Little Blue Truck. Did that happen when the dump truck was honking? No, it didn't. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. Here they are, everybody's helping. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? And here's the toad from the very beginning of the book, and he's showing his muscles and his nice shiny smile. Here he comes. All together. 1, 2, 3. The last push and the trucks were free. Couldn't have done it without everybody helping. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to the blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Did the dump truck learn his lesson? Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ma, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, meh. Everybody's having a good time, and they are all very, very muddy. Beep, beep, beep. I love that story. It shows that politeness and kindness and friendliness can go a long way. Well, thank you for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed Little Blue Truck, and stay tuned. We have an activity for you that goes along with our book. All right, see you next time, everybody.